In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to Google Docs. This is a handy feature that can really enhance the visual appeal of your documents, making them more engaging and easier to navigate. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. This can be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. With your browser open, navigate to google.com. Here you'll need to sign into your Google account, so click the sign in button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in, hit next, and then you'll need to enter your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click next again to proceed. Now that you are signed in, look for the small box in the upper right-hand side of the screen. This box contains the Google Apps, including Google Docs. Click on it and select Google Docs from the drop-down menu. If you're familiar with Google Docs, great. If not, you'll find that it's an intuitive and user-friendly platform for creating and editing documents. Once in Google Docs, open the document you'd like to work on or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. With your document open, decide where you want to place your icon. Simply place your cursor in the spot where you'd like the icon to appear. This will make it easier when you're inserting the icon. Now, head up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Symbols and select Special Characters. This will open up a dialog box where you can search for the icon you want to insert into your document. To find icons, type a keyword related to what you're looking for in the search bar. You might use terms like star, arrow, or check. Once you've typed your keyword, you'll see a list of symbols or icons related to your search. Browse through the options and click on the symbol you want to use. It will automatically appear in your document wherever your cursor is placed. Furthermore, if you're looking to add an emoji, you can easily do that too. Head back to Insert, then Symbols, and this time click on Emoji. Just like before, you can search or browse through the available emojis. Once you find the one that fits your needs, simply click on it and it will appear in your document at the location of your cursor. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully added icons and emojis to your Google Docs document. This simple feature can greatly enhance the visual impact of your work, making it more interactive and fun to read. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, happy documenting.